Mama wakwaba medin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ora Kwame Safa kan a oye adwuma e wo Despite Media Peace FM ono na o host morning show hour to the din kokroko e wo Peace FM a political talk show. Na ebusuafo din sembi atodwa na nsem wo kan na ne se inti Vice President Dr. Bawumia ye Muslim and so what or ye pepe nintia na Ghana for na NPP for monti bida na ebusuafo ne kofa we na eba ne say Ora Alotejo Corps our former NDC chairman e was Central Region and okokoko Jumedes no more discussion and all say Vice President Dr. Bawumia e deserve so be winning a year flag bearership position no wetimi ababe president next year 2024 na NPP for no more sorry na NPP for more sorry omo e Vice President Dr. Bawumia e Muslim wa kwadiska e wo ehia no de be campaign se na be ya obe legalize gay na lesbianism no chese ho banfa so bia owura Bawumia eye competent a obetimi ebu oman Ghana into no ye Muslim onye Muslim ye fanto nchen na NPP fonto aba no enfema no na emu na owura Kwame Safa kan reply say into no Vice President Dr. Bawumia eye Muslim and so what ebusuafo yenti ese na conversation no esi ekoi.
Or you castigate the person, attack the person, you are popularizing already the person is popularized. Even now from 2018, the opposition party was here one agenda there was about destroying. And this is tutoring from left and right too. From inside and then from outside. You see, it gives him a certain pedigree. At the end of the day, Ghanaian voters are Bejumafo. Delegates, oh the baby money can buy love. Into about no wa juno wa hwe. No wa tuama nya debia adewul obunizim. They are rather helping Dr. Bawumia. Now I wish him very well. Enyima them Abrentena or the issue of Islamic Adi. And I know some people in Accra here. In immigration service, we should know those coming in and those going out.
They do.
Peace FM. Yeah, I'm definitely sure they are Brenten. Why caught in friendship? No, why inviting them? Why bagana? Why prepare agenda? But look at the person. Impana was there Islamic phone. Just look at him. He's more Christian than those Christians. He is far a better Christian than those who beat their chest saying they one were a Christopher. Bawumia is a more Christian than the Christian, despite he being an Islamic person and a Muslim.
So he's a Muslim, so what?
And he has someone on the down meeting. When did the religion become became major correct?
When religion became what?
Because I don't want me if you what they'll be about. Kwame,
Alete.
Yeah, Bawumia is definitely going to win their primaries. There's no two ways.
You think
but
so?
But you see, I'm telling you the gospel truth. Inyema,
me
2007 is being revisited. So they should watch it. They should just watch it. What they are doing doesn't make them committed party people. They are destroying the very foundation of their own party.
Peace FM.
And see one thing here, Kwame, 2024 elections, and that's where my main issue will be based on. It's not going to be more presidential.
No, baby.
Obey the very people you elect at the constituency level. And why I'm saying this, these two by-elections has changed the political engineering of this country. Yeah. They should look out. It has changed the political engineering. Either you do ruthless propaganda, crude propaganda, or they will look at you the Walangase Kwabati Nebeye, Ebutumaye, Nezabo Boyan constituency. And that's why people are clamoring for the death of the MPs. Who Nenyazuyenya at the infrastructure development. What set the tone and the pace?
I got the 4 crown on my bedroom portwa, Umuntumi port duty no. Sisi a port, car, saloon car, crab bedrew a sky more triano, Utibeoya. Nanina Fapem, listen. Former President John Mama in 2014, Ebo Nitrim Cotton, Port and Harbor. Temaport no, Watom Ama Kwebia a friend of Vincent Balori. I will free France. Watom Harbor Naman for $7 billion. Say onu never control port no for the next 35 years, 35 good years. Say yana se wo kasa yes emblemu former administration 18 year 2 mu ne de mobile no enu 18 year 2 ye ne ye ba de mo ye de wo mobile ye de o mobile no problem na o kreti ye no e da so da ho a e di mini wunya mini wu e da so di enya and then in the ya menu kasa Vincent Balori MPS Mediterranean Post Services omune control Temaport. A will be a befa hobiano, a bind to me and no senko obe determine how much duty I will be tiano. Yaji, Mahama, a Jeffrey, a bind some, Eddie, a Chevis and Balorensa, Segana, a bind person, Sanyas had to Mino Baka, and was so good to a judgment debt $21 billion. What is 7 billion per equal to $21 billion? This is where we are as a nation. Etu wana wusu frese mama nembejiwa mahama ena wokuye no maboa ekosuru sisia no eyo no because the contract no ye no edaso wo ho a eye adwuma yenye ntwamu ye na se ebetwamu nso a gisi ekotua na ntwe ne baka $21 billion for just 7 billion. It is so yenye politics say ye because me do way and as me do way but normal nipa binu mo ye no a ye politician e affect ye nyina ye life and the port duties inti spare parts so car so normal e different broche be nyina bibia boa ye den a wakoye sa bogus contract way akotena wo say o san pese o san be ye president bi
go again
politics aye no ye no because normal amanyofo ye no e affect ye life
mutie
it is a administration na wo so eye bibia enya me beka
thank you
bibia ekoso a ebe affect nipa life bia na wo se kasafa ho
tieni yo
wo musisi a ye nyina yesu se no maboa ye den adwade 4 crown no ma bedru port a omuntumi ntwa port duty no
and this lovers listen
port car saloon car kekekura bedru a sky mo watua no Utibeoya. Nanina Fapem, listen. Former President John Mama in 2014.
Tieniye. Monkaya se tieniye.
Port and Harbor. Temaport no. Watom ama kwebia a friend of Vincent Balori. I will free France. Watom Harbor naman for $7 billion. Say onu never control port no for the next 35 years.
35 years.
Say na se wo kasa yes emblemu former administration 18 year 2 mu ne de mobile no enu 10 year 2 ye ne de ba de wo mobile ye de mobile no problem na o kreti ye no e da so da ho a e di mini wunya mini wu e da so di enya and then in the ya menu kasa Vincent Balori MPS Mediterranean Post Services omune control Temaport. I will be a befa hobiano, a bind to me and no senko be determine how much duty I will be tiano. Yaji, Mahama, a Jeffrey, a bind some, Eddie, a Chevis and Balorensa, Segana, bind person, Sanyas had to Mino Baka, and was so good to a judgment debt $21 billion.